So you're looking for a way to take your coffee game to the next level, guys. This is truly it. This kit, guys, is going to allow you to smoke your coffee. It comes with these little baskets. You're going to get 2 of these little tiny baskets here. I'm going to show you guys how I do it every morning. And then I go through and I pick which of the flavored woods that I want to accent my coffee with. And you get quite a few of these. You got to pick which one you like best. I have a tendency to lean more toward this apple blend. This is my favorite right here. So all you have to do is take a few pinches of that wood. And if you smoke a pipe, you can probably relate to this. Take a few pinches of the wood and just add those little shavings in there like so. Don't forget to close the top because this will spill very easily. This comes with a torch like so. You're just going to turn that on. There's your flame. Heat that up. Get it nice and smoking. There you go. Just get that flame going real good. And then you can just kind of let it ride. Make sure it's completely sealing the cup. Yeah, there we go. All right, and in no time, guys, your coffee is going to be infused with that flavor of the wood. Now, this kit was designed for to be used with normal cocktails, but myself and a friend of mine realized that we could do the same thing with coffee and tea, which is outstanding. All right, guys, I'll see you all in the next video. Peace. I'm out.